So when we know that we need to do a surface top up, as the kids play in different surfacing materials, sand, mulch tends to migrate. The kids tend to fill up their buckets and move them from one place to another. So part of our annual maintenance does require surfacing top ups. As you can see here, whether it's wind or the kids, we've got mulch in our sand. So part of our annual maintenance, we actually want to rake out our surfacing to remove any contaminants. What we really want to look for when we're trying to calculate how much we need is, first of all, how high are we on the border? Is underneath our surfacing, there's a cloth that's protecting any weed growth underneath, and if we see that cloth, then we know we're too low. So we want to really bring that up. Typically we aim for 3 to 4 inches below the top of our log border, because we want to retain that material as much as we can, but we want to make sure that there's enough for our kids to really dig into it and play with it.